Okay, so unboxing a mouse by Logitech today, G502. This is the wired version and it's the Hero gaming mouse. So we'll get into the back here. Next generation Hero sensor delivers precision tracking up to 25,600 dpi with zero smoothing, filtering or acceleration. 11 programmable buttons and dual mode hyper-fast scroll wheel give you a fully customizable control over your gameplay. A range up to 5 3.6 grams weights for personalized weight and balance configuration. Logitech G-Sync light technology provides fully customizable RGB lighting that also synchronizes with your gameplay. So technical specifications are on the back here. You've got light sync and the Hero sensor. Some height dimensions. All these can be found on the website. This is just going to be a quick dive into what comes in the box. So I'll open the back. Get a nice big Logitech sticker. That's the box emptied. So that's the mouse. Shell case there. That's the cable. These are the adjustable weights, I think. Ooh, what are these? Yep. The adjustable weights in there. A nice little plastic case. That's done. Safety, compliance and warranty information. And a very brief instruction overview, where to place weights, and basically to just plug it in and away you go. So that's the mouse there. USB type A. No USB 3 pins, although they wouldn't be needed. And that's the mouse there. Feels nice in hand. Plastic construction. And looking forward to setting that up with the weights. There's a scroll wheel with a shift button. So that's free scrolling. And then change it there to traditional clicky mode. And yeah, it looks good. Targeting sensor. That's the Hero sensor there. Otherwise, that's it pretty much. If you want more detailed overviews of the mouse, there's plenty of others on YouTube, but this is just an overview of what comes in the box. Thanks.